Alright, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to replace the battery on a 2015 and newer Ford Mustang. First thing you're going to need is a 96R battery. I'm usually not very picky when it comes to the brand model, just as long as it's manufactured by Johnson Controls. I've had good experiences with them in the past. You're going to need a battery terminal cleaner, a 1/4-inch ratchet, 10mm socket, got a 8mm socket, and some battery terminal protector to prevent corrosion in the future. I'll put links of this stuff in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Alright, just a little hint. Batteries typically come with a manufacturer date. For example, this one is from August 2020. And then when I picked up this battery, I picked the one from the back of the display. And in this specific example, the one that was in the back of the display was 2 months newer than the ones in the front. So, you know, I just prefer to have a fresher battery. And don't forget to be courteous. Remember to put back the unpurchased battery back inside the display. First thing we have to do is remove the cover. So it's kind of nice that they tell you which is the positive and negative for the battery on the cover itself. So first thing you have to do is remove the 3 fasteners, turn the fastener counterclockwise, and then just pull it out. There's typically one over here, but it looks like this one was lost over the years. And here's the third one right here. Okay, and then now you can lift and pull, and it's got 3 tabs in the back. Okay, and put this in a safe location. All right, so once the cover is removed, you always want to start by removing the negative terminal first, or the clamps from the negative terminal. So loosen, then lift, and then put it out of the way. And then we'll do the positive terminal. Okay, and then lift this one out of the way also. Alright, so next we're going to remove the battery hold down, or tie down. So I'm going to use the 8mm socket. I am going to use a little extension because it's a little recessed. So I'm going to hit this guy right here. Okay, and now the battery's free to be removed. Okay, and now is a good time to clean up the insides of the battery box itself. And I also just took a second to clean up the hold down. Okay, next I'm going to get the battery terminal cleaner and clean out the insides of each one of the terminal. Get any debris or corrosion out. Okay, nice and clean. And let's do the positive terminal. Okay, nice and clean. Let's put the battery in. Okay, once the battery's in the right location, let's insert the tie down into the hole right there. And make sure that the lip is facing the battery. Okay, nice and snug. Make sure that the battery is nice and secure. All right, now let's attach the cables. Okay, next get your 10mm socket, and always start with the positive first when reattaching the battery. Okay. It's nice and snug. And now let's do the negative. Once again, nice and snug. And then we could remove this cover from the factory. Alright, and prior to putting the battery cover back on, I usually like to start it up to make sure everything is functioning properly.
To prepare for something new with self-guided lessons and support.
Alright, everything looks good. Let's button her back up. Okay, and to prevent corrosion in the future, I like to use this battery terminal protector. All right, let's put the cover back on. There are 3 tabs, so slide these 3 tabs in first. And then reattach the connectors. And since this third one was gone, I'm just going to use a generic fastener. All right, and now the cover is secured. If you like what you saw, please click like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.